Maria,
I'm Claire.
I'm Smitha.
And I'm Tejal.
and we picked prompt 3 from the data visualization category, visualization of Little Ram Pantry usage. What is a Little Ram Pantry? They're boxes distributed all around campus to help combat food insecurity among the VCU population. They're sensor systems on the door that record interactions such as open, close, date, and time. We analyze this data to get a better understanding of food insecurity and effectiveness of the LRP campaign at VCU. This is us visiting one on the 5th floor of Harris. This is how the LRP works. And the goal of our project is to assess the success of the LRPs as well as understand what should be changed. We achieve this goal by visualizing the data set given to us to extrapolate data usage trends over time in relation to student schedules. We built a dashboard to share our findings and present all of our graphs. Let's do a quick run through. So this is what our dashboard looks like. They're descriptions of graphs, and this is an example of a map where you can see time of most usage when you hover over a polygon. Feel free to take a deeper dive over dashboard after our presentation. The link will be on our slides. So we were provided with 13 .xlsx files for each LRP location on campus. We converted them to .csv files so that we could use SQL to query the data and Python to create visualizations. We were provided data from 2022 to 2023, and it logged each time the LRP door was closed and opened, as you can see on the slide.
So before we got into the code, we manually cleaned the data and split up one of the data sets to create a new file for Harris location. We then used SQL to find the use trends. We filtered the uses just for when the door was opened, and this could be a donation, removal, and anyone could be using them. One of the things we looked at was use over the 2023 year, and we should emphasize donations when use is high at the end of the year and possibly consolidate locations when usage is low in the summer. We also looked at usage per time for each location, and this could be useful for people who want to go when it is less busy. And because VCU is an urban campus, we can see that areas like the library are probably providing help for also the greater Richmond community. We also looked at trends per location and saw that the gym received the most interactions overall, and this could again show that the overall Richmond community is also using these pantries.
Using the interactive map and heat map, we were able to visualize frequencies of interactions among all the locations. We noticed that comparatively, Monroe Park seemed to have more interactions than MCV did, with certain locations such as Cabell Library and Carey Street Gym being prime hub spots. So here's the problem. According to Zine's study, only about half of students surveyed know of on-campus pantry initiatives. And of the percent of those students, only 22.2% of them actually make use of them. We need to increase awareness about this initiative and take steps to make the pantries more accessible.
So we countered some misconceptions about food insecurity. We noticed that there were some after log hours, and we concluded that staff is also using this in addition to students, and we expect the usage to go up as the program continues to grow. To increase benefit, we suggest to focus on high traffic areas and encourage usage of LRP across campus. There are locations like the Lyric Center and some other locations on MCV which have less interaction, and we should increase visibility and promote these locations. And more popular locations like Carey Street Commons could benefit from additional locations. For expansion outside of VCU, we could implement the same model in other colleges and K-12 institutions. To involve student orgs and continue contributing to LRP donations and to increase awareness and donation to all locations. This is our works cited. Thank you.